Fast or slow? Fast. Alright, well myself, along with the front row, might get a little wet due to some mist coming over the front of the duck. However, this will be nothing compared to that 80-foot tidal wave rushing over the back deck. So folks, if you have any items sitting on the floor you do not want to see get wet today, please pick them up now, because anything that washes up to me, I am allowed to keep and sell on eBay later. Hold on. Well, wasn't lying about the tidal wave, was I?
That was pretty cool. There's the dam. And we're back in the water.